Sean Salisbury here for Open Sports. Some last-minute opinion here on rivalry weekend in college football. First, Sylvester Croom of Mississippi State steps down as their head coach. He resigns, and there was obviously speculation that he was going to be replaced and fired anyway, and I've known Sylvester a long time, and it's too bad. But here's what I know about Mississippi State. I don't believe they can win there. I don't believe any coach can win there under the current landscape and the circumstances. I don't. Sylvester Croom did the best job he possibly could, but in that conference, with the way that they have to compete, for some reason, I think you're going there. Mississippi State is a very, very difficult place in football to win. And I'm not sure with the talent they get, and there are some great players, but I don't think they can continue to compete. So I think as a head coach, you go there to be fired or to be replaced or to resign sometime down the road. I don't think this is a job that can sustain you for a long time. There's just certain places in the country that you can go that the chances of winning consistently are slim and fat. And when you go to a program that says, if you win 5, 6, 7 games, 8 games, you, in your own mind, won a national title. I don't think the Mississippi State job is one unless it's going to be your only chance to be a head coach. I'm not sure I'd touch that job at all. Quiz Rogers, Oregon State. This is a huge situation against the Oregon Ducks later on this football Saturday. Quiz Rogers is out with a shoulder injury. You remember, if you don't know Quiz Rogers, you haven't been watching football. He's the one who tore USC up in that upset victory early in the year, and has been doing it ever since. Little running back who can run around, speed, big-time playmaker who makes things happen. He's not going to play against the University of Oregon. Oregon's a good program, and obviously Mike Bellotti knows how to coach. It's going to be an unbelievable situation how Oregon State responds in Corvallis at their home field without Quiz Rogers. A win puts them in the Rose Bowl. Watch that game closely. This is one of those that's not going to get as much pub, but it should. This is for a Rose Bowl berth for Oregon State, no Quiz Rogers. A couple other things to look in the Oklahoma State game. And this is the emotion part and looking ahead. I know Oklahoma's not looking ahead because they can't, but with the emotion part of it, and I've mentioned this earlier, but I can't stress enough, and this morning I woke up even thinking about it. That's how into this college football stuff I am. Bob Stoops' football team, with such a big hammering at Texas Tech, can they respond and give Oklahoma State in a rivalry game the same stuff? I don't know. Now, Oklahoma's good enough to do it, but emotionally, can they handle this, and can they get this thing going, and can they respond and say, okay, we had a big game. We can't live off that, because this determines a lot of things. There's Big 12 on the line. There's national championship. There's a jump in the BCS rankings. Oklahoma State's going to give Oklahoma all they can handle unless Oklahoma comes out, plays like they did against Tech and has that emotion, and plays pissed off. And they look like they played, they look like they played pissed off against Texas Tech. Keep an eye on that. And then finally in the Alabama-Auburn game, which is going to be going on shortly, you've got to find out if Alabama's looked ahead to Florida. Has Alabama looked ahead to Florida? And if they have, in a rivalry game like this, and Tommy Tuberville, Auburn's head coach, has a lot of pride. Alabama's offense is not explosive and isn't going to dominate you. What they do is their defense puts them in position, and their offense is consistent. They'll throw it, they'll run it, they're consistent, and they're efficient. They're not explosive. If you jump on them early, and let's see what they can do if you make them play from behind. I don't know if Auburn's offense is good enough to do that. But keep an eye. Have they looked ahead? Has Alabama looked ahead? If they have and they lose this game, it costs them a national championship. It does. And I don't care what anybody says, because I'm not sure a lot of people think that they're the most dominant #1 team in America, and then they got to go deal with Florida. So we'll see. Keep an eye on those things. The main thing, Quiz Rogers out on this game against Oregon for a battle at the Rose Bowl for the Oregon State Beavers. I'm Sean Salisbury for Open Sports.
So you think you can tackle a pro? There's only one way to find out. Click on fantasy at opensports.com.